This was a tricky one to answer, surprisingly. The first thing we did was go to you, the true experts, cottagers who sit around campfires all the time. And surprisingly somewhat, many of you asked why we would want to get rid of that smell in the first place. Well, I get it. Our assistant editor, Marie Wayne, told me that her hair smelled like smoke even months after she one time sat around a campfire in the summer. No one likes the smell of campfires that much, do they? We also talked to the pros, including cleaning experts, camping equipment makers, and even companies that specialize in removing odors. And we couldn't find anyone to recommend a surefire DIY trick. They did suggest a few things that might work, depending on the kind of fabric we're talking about and the amount of time you're exposed to the campfire. Those DIY tricks include baking soda, lemon juice, vinegar, steam, kitty litter, and even coffee grounds used in various ways, all of which have the potential to absorb lingering odors. But the truth is, you're probably going to have to move beyond DIY and seek out a specialist. Restoration companies have machines that are specifically designed for destinking. For clothing, it's probably better to try a dedicated odor-removing product, one for smoke smells in particular. We've heard good things about Suit Soap Supply, a company that sells a spray containing odor-absorbing charcoal. Another idea? Set aside a campfire coat that you only wear at the campfire at your cottage. We used to do this with my brother's old hockey jackets at our cottage. And you should probably continue to profess your hate for white rabbits. It can't hurt.